There were some other biscuits on the channel.
169.
Yeah.
That's an exclusive channel though.
No, it's not an exclusive channel because every kid in the world is going to want to use 69.
Yeah.
We decided to do some rolling shots today.
That's
Hopefully the 2 Skylines and Ash will bring us E36.
I know that this is like 7 or 8 chapters like that as well.
Nothing much else after that.
Yeah,
Do I look like I own it?
Not really.
No, he looks out of place, eh?
Holy
Chris!
Cool, we just wrapped up the, oh shit, the visors swinging. Oh no. Alright, we just wrapped up rollers on Ash's E36 and Chris's R32. I'm going to meet Justin at the car wash now and take it from there and probably just try to get the 2 Skylines together. I'll tell him that. He's got to do the crawl! Maybe I'll confront Justin about why he hasn't washed his car yet. Oh, why haven't you washed your car?
I was going to ask you, did you want to get it recorded?
Yeah, I have.
So I didn't go in, but now I'm too far back.
What the hell? Man, it's rocked up with snacks and juice.
This man.
Alright, that's it for today. We're just gonna go on for dinner, get some ramen.